Alrighty, well, start of day 3 up here on Cedar Island, and we're getting ready to go out this morning, and we're gonna do a little trolling for walleye today. Started trolling last night, just caught 2, but now we're going to go ahead and get into a little bit more trolling in a couple of different areas. So what we're gonna be throwing today is right here. This is a Rapala balsamic wood floating minnow, and this chartreuse color has been dynamite in years past, and we've been advised by other great walleye fishermen to troll with these. It's kind of funny, these things in the water look like they just have the slightest, tightest wobble. And we're going to be trolling about 2 miles an hour and see if we can get hooked up today with some nice walleye. So wish us luck. We'll see how we do, and we'll see how this goes.
Ooh, you see it?
I can't see it really.
No, but
oh, I see a
right
flash.
there, it's right there.
It is a walleye.
Yep. I know it's big. I feel it.
Go to the front, go to the front, go to the front. That's where it's at. Hold on.
Oh my god. Go to the front, right about right here.
Well, because that's where it was swimming. You always go to the fish. So
Where's it at?
hold on, I was coming back.
Shit's a beast. I see him ever so slightly.
Take your time. Oh, that's a big walleye.
Ooh. Oh, he's going underneath the boat.
Yep, get ready to dip in the net.
Come this way.
Got one. See? Told you. Overcast wind.
Yeah, I want to know where my phone's at.
Nice walleye. Josh got to get a picture of that one.
For sure.
Hey, look at that. The perch color worked. I told you.
This time we're not bouncing on rocks. We're catching fish.
They eat what it looks like.
I get it. I know you can get it. Just... Oh, yes. Thank you, Wally. Hold it sideways. I bet 5. Nope. 704.
Big time walleye. There. 28 inches.
That meat on the...
Oh, I got a fish. Dang it. Probably a smallmouth beat by all these rocks. Pretty log-like. We'll see. Also swimming a little bit. I bet. As long as I don't get your line, it'll be alright.
Here, bring him this one.
That's what I'm doing.
That's big.
That was big.
All on the old trolling.
Yep.
Now you get the needle nose. This bait does it all.
Yeah, I'm gonna stock up on some of these for next trip.
Oh, I'm on.
Got one?
Yeah, I'm on. I think this is a log too. Well, oh, he's fighting too much.
Oh, I think I'm stuck. Oh, I got a fish too.
Hey, we doubled up.
Letting the trolling motor do it all.
I can't tell what this is though.
Mine's bad.
No, that's not.
Mine's a northern. Even worse.
Is this a log? This might be a walleye. I think he's fighting too much. This might be a smallmouth. This is a smallmouth.
Did it dart real fast?
It's a smallmouth. Yes, it's a smallmouth.
Reel up, Josh.
I'm already here. I think it's a smallmouth. Oh no, it's a northern.
Darn. Say it's surface, so I kind of figured it'd be a northern.
It did surface?
Yeah, it splashed.
It's right there, Josh. Yeah.
See the net?
You gotta put your rod. Watch your rod. Down in the boat. Oh, that's a smallmouth. Oh.
That's better than a northern.
Let's see. It's big.
Yeah, I think we probably could have got away with 10 pounds of potatoes.
Well.
Oh, got one.
Nice.
Probably a northern.
All right, let's gamble.
Very, actually, only hit like once. It's still on there.
If you're a northern and you know it, keep on reeling.
Ain't no walleye.
If you're a northern and you know it, keep on reeling.
17-inch walleye.
If you're a northern and you know it, and you really want to show it.
It's pretty log-like. Somebody get the net.
I'm currently stuck on my own black. Huh?
No, I'm gonna make sure.
Hold on, Nate. I'll be there in 2
I'm
seconds.
almost here. And it hasn't surfaced.
Give me the net, Josh. Alright, I'm here.
It's a big one.
Oh, you kidding me? It's a what? It's a northern.
Oh, I barely got it.
What is it?
Okay. It's not wrong. Now, where do we go?
I really don't feel it.
Got one.
Nice.
Sure, it's a northern again. I don't know. This one feels kind of good again.
Similar to what I had out in the reef, but
I'm here with the net. In just 0.2 seconds. Okay. What's your rod tip?
oh wow, surprise.
Hey.
What we got? White?
No, dude. Looks like they're on.
Please get off by your ball.
Oh, he's almost off. Oh,
No.
I don't even want to net play.
I
I'm
know.
sorry. Slide him up. Dad's got one.
Going?
Yep.
All right. Just had to say the word.
Is it fighting? Oh, my bait was messed up the whole time.
There you go.
Really, dude?
I'll get the net.
What is it?
It'd be a small walleye.
Bump, bump. Bloop. Small northern.
Got him. This one, much better pull. I still bet northern. We'll see. Could I get so lucky? Oops, I'm on the net.
You had to guess. What are you guessing?
Northern, because I see it. I don't think it's very big. Kind of felt like it was on there.
You got some.
Yeah, I know I got one. Maybe he's in the weeds or something though. What the hell? He's bigger than I think, or I'm in a bunch of weeds.
Probably mixture.
Hooked up trolling. If I can bring him to this side so I don't gotta move. He's going the other way on my power pole.
Here, walk up here. Yep. Oh, not really. Oh my god.
Get him in.
There you go.
Get up in the boat.
Alright.
Good nice one. It was weird. It was half in
the hook caught
It was keeping me from putting it in.
So I just used my Lowrance Ghost for trolling around. I used the little remote I wear around my neck as I troll, and I keep my boat at the speed that I want it to. And whenever I get a fish, I just hit spot lock and everybody reels up, and that's kind of how we do 3 men trolling in a boat. Yeah, you just really kind of go in a little loop. We're keeping the boat anywhere from 5 to 15 foot of water, and we're picking up some northerns through some weeds. We need 5 more to get our limit. Oh, I got one way up there on a tube jig.
Run, fishy, run. Oh, you're on the log.
I think he got twisted on the log. Oh, he got off.
There you go.
Oh, there's another one following it. Oh, I barely got it hooked. He's gonna come off.
What?
He's hooked really weird.
Getting that?
Oh no, never mind. He's real good. My tube jig slid up like it's supposed to. I got it.
Nice.
Little tube jig fish. Decided to throw the tube jig. Oh, got him.
Nice.
A hair jig.
Oh, I'm on one too. I'm on. Got him. This is the old times.
You stuck?
No, he's got one like
I see other fish following your fish, Josh.
What, mine?
Yeah, I saw 2 others come over the rock.
Yeah, I might have to tie on something like this.
He can tie on a hair jig. I got like 8 of them.
Oh, look at him. Feisty. Feisty.
It's so easy. All you gotta do is reel it.
Got him.
nice.
Oh,
Kind of like that's the monitor pig.
oh, is it?
Oh, it's no wonder why it's swimming so hard. It's hooked on the back. Missed. He's like, ah! Thank you. Got him. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Isn't it? It's a wally.
Here.
I see it.
Oh my gosh, it's a
Northern.
Here,
northern.
here. What?
A big
Huge
northern.
northern. Oh my god.
Just put your rod down now.
Oh, I got one.
No, it's me.
Okay.
Holy shit, that's massive.
Get me off there. Okay. Oh yeah, it's nice.
No, don't go this way.
Hey, come on, man. Wants me to.
Oh my.
Aggressive. Have fun messing with this guy.
This is a good picture fish.
You got your camera on?
Yeah. Believe it or not.
Can't fit all the way. Woo! Oh no, no.
Over the boat.
Can't get in. It's so weird.
Pick him up. Lift him over.
All right.
All right.
Good job.
Got him.
That's a keeper. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
That'd be a good one to practice on, wouldn't it?
That's what we're looking for.
Watch him.
Pretty nice northern here on a leech, doing some drop shotting on some laydowns. This one's probably going to be closer to 20, 27, 28 inches. Fun catch. Big fight. 29.5-inch northern. Beautiful fish. Ate the leech. Got him.
Did you? Josh, right
It's
there?
it's a small.
Huh?
It's a smallmouth. It's surface. It's fighting like crazy.
Yep. Small.
Darn it. What are you doing back here?
Josh?
Right in the top of the mouth, just like it's supposed to be. Little smallmouth drop shot him. Bloop. He's off there. Oh, is he on there? I think he's on there.
Another northern for you. Hoping ain't another one.
Me too. Just at the rate we've been catching them today. Hello, Mr. Northern. Oh my gosh, barrel roll of death.
And another one.
But you know what? I shouldn't say this is a walleye because I didn't get the walleye. The northerns were up here.
Yes, they were.
I could tell by the way he ain't fighting. It's a log.
Hasn't surfaced yet.
It's a wally.
Hope so.
It's a
All this
walleye.
cold.
It's a walleye.
Don't matter if it's not under 18 inches.
Uh-oh.
It's going back.
Going down.
It's a walleye.
It might actually be one.
It's going down.
I think it's a walleye.
It's a walleye. Got it.
Oh, it's
Saw it
going
go
down.
flash. If it ain't, I'll be shocked. That's definitely.
Oh.
Need a flash.
Drag might be a little low.
Good picture fish.
Oh, yeah. Yep. All right.
If it just surfaced like that.
You never know though.
Yeah, you never know.
You've been holding. Oh my. Yeah.
Oh,
That's all I
no.
can catch.
That's
It's
another.
that same one.
No, it's not a decent one though.
You got seaweed. It's probably white. So that's me.
It's
Crazy.
smaller.
Oh, here's the monster.
Okay, this one actually feels relatively small. Maybe it's a walleye. That's small.
Bass.
Could be a bass. I'm gonna be optimistic.
It ain't fighting. Here, go hold it. Is it trying to go back to the depths?
All I catch is the
Right?
northern.
This is big.
But it's fighting.
It was small. That was right.